So students, today we'll start our revision. Okay, this is mathematics and we'll start our workbook. We'll start from revision 1. Okay, so all of you will open your maths workbook, page number 104. Okay, so before starting, I will give you a quick recap of revision 1, what revision 1 is about. Then we will start our workbook. Okay, open your page number 101. See students, we will start our revision 1. Before starting revision 1, I will give you a quick recap. Revision 1 is about patterns. We have to complete the patterns. So what are patterns? It's a sequence or series that is repeating again and again, or any repeated design. So we can form pattern with different design. In front of you there are different patterns, isn't it? See, first line, in this line it's yellow square, then triangle, then square, then triangle. So what should be the next? Very good. Next should be triangle, square, sorry, then triangle. Okay. So in the second line, it's square. Again, it's square, but the difference is in color. It's green square, then red square, green square, then red square. Then again, it's green square, then red square. Okay. So in the next, it's again triangles, but the color difference is there. See, it's blue triangle, red triangle, blue triangle, red triangle, blue triangle, red triangle. Then again blue, red, blue. So it becomes a complete pattern. This is about pattern. This we will do in our revision 1. So all of you will open your book and we will do our revision 1, page number 102. Okay. Okay, now see, you all will open your maths workbook. Okay, you will open your maths workbook, page number 102. Okay, this is in front of you, page number 102. Let us start it. Okay, see, this is revision 1. Okay, we will start from revision 1. Okay, so what is revision 1? It's about the complete the pattern. As I told you before in the video just now, we have what is pattern. It is the repeated series again and again, and we did it in previous videos. Alright, okay, so I hope you learn, you know what's pattern. Okay, you can do this. Okay, you all will open page number 102 and do with me. Okay, see, what is this first shape here? Can you tell me? Yes, this is a square. And what is the next after square? Triangle. And after triangle, what is the next one? Square. After that, triangle. Then again, square. Then again, triangle. Then again, square. So what should be the next? What comes after square? Very good. The next should be the square, right? No, the next should be the triangle. Very good. See, after square comes triangle, then after triangle comes square. That means after square comes here. Very good. It after square comes triangle. So you all will draw triangle with me. Now what comes after triangle? Square. Okay, see, we'll make a square here. Okay, see, this makes a complete series. Okay, now let us do another one. What is this? Circle. Very good. This is square, then again square, then again circle, then again two squares. Then after two squares, what comes? Circle. Now what comes after two circle? Very good. After circle comes two small squares. Okay. Okay, say. Okay, now what is this here? This is triangle, then again triangle, 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 but its shape is like this. Point is towards this, then these two joins. This point is towards this side and this point is towards this side. See, this is triangle here. Again triangle, triangle. Now this is triangle here. What is missing here? This point is from left side. Now we will again make a triangle, but point will be from the main point where two points meet. It will be from the right side. Then again we will make one more triangle. See, Again we will make one more triangle here like this, and again we will make one more triangle like this. Okay, this makes a complete series. Now what is this? Square. Then triangle, triangle, square, two triangles, square. Now what comes after square? Again two triangles. Very good. Okay, yes. Now what is this? Two circles are here. After two circles, two squares. After two squares, two circles. After two circles, again one square. That means after one square comes what? Another square, because two squares here. Okay, will come another square. Then after square will come what? Circle. Okay. See now, triangle, triangle, square, triangle, triangle, square, triangle, triangle, square. Now what comes after triangle, triangle? Square. Now what comes after square? Very good. After square comes triangle. Okay. Okay, now it makes the complete series. Okay, so this was all about page number 102. Okay, now we will do 100, page number 103. So dear students, we finished revision 1. Hope you understood. Now we will do our revision 2. So before starting our work, I will give you a quick recap about revision 2. So what revision 2 is about? It's about mass. Okay, I already explained mass in our previous videos. I hope you remember. What's mass? It's a measurement of the amount of matter or in an object, and we measure mass in how we measure mass in ways. Okay, so when we measure mass in ways, what is the unit of mass? It's measuring. How we measure mass? We measure mass in kilograms. That means kilogram is the standard unit for mass, and we can write short form kg. So we measure mass, we use kilogram to measure the mass of objects. That means we measure objects in weigh. When we buy anything, if you go to, as I told you before, if you go to any bakala, any supermarket, you buy anything, fruits, vegetables, you buy those in kilograms. That is the mass, and we buy it in kilograms. That means kg, because it is the standard unit. So we will do that revision 2 and revision 3. We will do about this mass. Okay, we will first of all we will compare the mass. Okay, then in kilograms, then we will do distinguish between lighter and heavier pictures. There are some pictures in front of you. We will do that page also. Okay, so open your page number 103 and 104 and pay attention towards this. Okay, now we will do page number 103. It's revision 2. Okay, see, what is this? This is all about mass, as we already did in our previous videos. Okay, and I explained it again. Okay, before this revision. Okay, so see, what is this written here? Look at figure and answer the question. See, you have to look, there are some figures here drawn. So after seeing these figures, you have to answer these questions. Okay, see, what is this? Oranges. These are oranges. What is the weight of these oranges? What is the mass of these oranges? 3 kg. Okay, so what is this? Yes, this is kiwi. And what is the weight of this? How many kilograms? It's 2 kg. Okay, 2 kg means 2 kilograms. And what is this? These are some pears. And what is the weight of these pears? 5 kg. Okay, remember, oranges 3 kg, kiwi 2 kg, and pears 5 kg. Now let us start. So what is this? This is question number 1. Which of the fruits is the heaviest? See, there are 3 fruits here. So now you have to say, you have to write which one is the heaviest. Can you tell me which one is the heaviest? Is 3 kg heaviest, 2 kg heaviest, or 5 kg? Very good. Your answer is correct. So this is 5 kg means pears. Pears is its heaviest, right? Isn't it? Yes, because it's 5 kg. It's more than kiwi, more than orange. Okay, so what should be the answer there? Yes, 5 kg means pears. So we will write here name of the fruit, that is pears. Pears. Okay, now let's draw another one. How many kilograms is the pears heavier than the orange? Now see, pears is 5 kg and oranges, can you tell me how many, what is the weight of the oranges? Yes, it's 3 kg. See, it's written here 5 pears is 5 kg and oranges 3 kg. Now you have to say how many kilograms is pears heavier than oranges. So how we will find the difference between two? Yes, we will do subtraction. Okay, we will do subtraction. Let me show you here. So pears is 5 kg. We will write here 5 kg. And what is the weight of oranges? 3 kg. 3 kg. Okay, so we will do subtraction. Minus. Okay, so I will draw here 5 lines. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many I have to cut? Very good. 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you tell me how many left? 1, 2. Very good. 2 kg. So now can you tell me what how many is left? How many kgs are left? 2 kg. So what will be the answer here? Yes, very good. It will be 2 kg. That means 2 kg heavier than oranges. That means pears is 2 kg heavier than oranges. Okay, we can it's written here 2 kg heavier than oranges, but which is heavier, 2 kg heavier than oranges? We will write that also here. Pears. Pears is 2 kg heavier than orange. Okay, now let's do another part. Question number 3. Which of the fruit is lightest? See, now there are 3 fruits. 3 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg. Now you have to say which one is the lightest. Can you tell me? 5 kg is less, 2 kg is less, or 3 kg? Very good. 2 kg. That means kiwi. Kiwi is lightest fruit out of 3. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Okay. So kiwi is the lightest fruit. Now let's do another one. What is the total weight of the pears, oranges and kiwi? Now see, there are 3 fruits here. You have to say what is the total weight of these 3. Let's do it here. So pears is how much? 5 kg. We will write here 5 kg. Now another one. Oranges are 3 kg. 3 kg oranges. And kiwi is how much? 2 kg. 2 kg. So what we will do when we are finding the total, what we are doing? Addition. Very good. So how much is there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how much is 3? Add more 3. Then how much is 2? Add more 2. Now let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the total weight of these 3 fruits? 10 kg. Very good. It's 10 kg. So what we will write here? 10 kg. The total weight of these 3 fruits are 10 kg. Okay. So do more practice of this. This was all about page number 103. Now we will continue. We will do our next revision 104 page number. Okay dear, this is page number 104, revision 3. See, what is this? Circle the picture that is lighter in mass. Now you have the circle. In this page there are some pictures. Now you have to compare this and you have to circle the picture which is having very good light mass. Very good means light in weight. Okay, so let us start. See, what is this? Some oranges are here, right? And what is this? Bike. Okay, this is motorbike. So can you tell me which one is the lightest out of these two? Very good. Yes, exactly. Oranges are lighter than this bike. So we will circle this picture. Okay. Now let's do another part. See, what is this? This is LCD. Okay, this is television. And what is this? This is goggles. Okay, sunglasses. So can you tell me which one is the lightest out of these? Very good. This one is the lightest out of these two. Okay. Now let's do another one. These are some socks. And what is this? Telephone. What is the weight of these? Which one is the lightest out of these two? This telephone, its weight is light or this is light? Very good. The weight of these socks are light. Now let's do another part. This is piece of pastry. And what is this? This is a flower vase. So whose weight is light? Is this one or this one? Very good. Piece of a pastry, its weight is very lighter than this. So this was all about page number 104. So let us continue. We will do next page 100. So after finishing revision 2 and 3, we will start revision 4. Before starting revision 4, what revision 4 is about? It's about square units. So what square units? Before square units, we will learn, as I told you before in our previous videos, what's an area? What's area? It's the space which is occupied by an shape of an object. Any object will occupy a space. That's called area. See in front of you, there is a picture here, right? See on the right side of the corner, there is one box. Inside the box, how much space it is occupied in this box? That we can call that its area. So how will we measure area? We measure area in square units. That's about revision 4. So let us start and open page number 105, 105. Okay. See, before I would like to tell you this about measured area in square units, but you have to remember this. I told you before, remember it. Each square is equal to 1 square unit and each triangle is half square unit. How? See, when we make two triangle make a 1 square. How it will make a 1 square? When we divide this square into 2 triangles, that means half and half. Okay, but when we join these two triangles, it will make up a, very good, it will make up a 1 square. That's about area. That's about square units. So we measure area in square units and you have to remember this. Okay, so now let's start our revision 4. So this is page number 105, revision 4. I told you before and in our previous videos about area, and we measured area in square units. So you have to write the total numbers of square units of the following figures. See, there are some figures. Now you have to write its square units. How much is the total number of square units of these figures? Means how much is the total area, because we measured area in square units, so we have to write the square units of each figure. See, what is this? This is some figure. We will measure the area of this figure. How we measure the area? In square units. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the area of this figure? Very good. It's 4 square units. Very good. You are doing good. So next figure is here, number 2. See, what is this here? This is triangle, isn't it? That means half triangle, right? We will write it half. Okay, now here we will write 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Now again here triangle. As I told you, two triangles make up a one square. Very good. That means 1, 2, 3. And when we join these two triangles, it will make up a one square. That means 4. So what is the area of this figure? 4 square units. Okay, because when we join these two triangles, it will make up a one square. That means area of this figure is equal to 4 square units. Again I will repeat 1, 2, 3. Then this triangle and this triangle we will join. It will make a one square. That means number 4. Okay. Let's do another one, part 3. So let's count it here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the area of this figure? Excellent. 10 square units. Very good. You are doing good. So now let's count the area for this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the area of this figure? Very good. Excellent. This is 6 square units. So this was all about page number 105 and revision 4. So this was all about for today. We finished revision till revision 4. In the next video we will start our revision 5. So students, I hope you understood today's video. Today we finished our revision 1, 2, 3 and 4. So do more practice for this, and next video inshallah we will start our revision 5. We will start from revision 5. So take care of yourself, stay at home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.